What's going on, guys? It's me, Donnie, on Hog Sensing, and we're back at it again today, guys. It's July 3rd, and we're back down here at the river, guys. Back down at the river again today. There's absolutely no flow, guys, at all whatsoever. As you can see, no flow, but we're gonna try it anyway. We'll give her a shot. If no bites or nothing right off the bat, then we'll end up moving somewhere, or maybe just go home and try it tomorrow at a different spot. But yeah, right now there's no flow, guys, so see if there's any messing around in here. Got some guys downstream in kayaks, it looks like, so a whole pile of tubes behind me from somebody. But yeah, we're gonna get on, guys, see what we can get. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. We'll see if we get on something. Got some big old suckers in the bucket there, and got a couple sneebs. Yeah, got some monster suckers, guys, so see if we can get on one. Big old flatty or something. I'll be back with you guys later. That's the smallest of the suckers I got. Yeah, that's the smallest. We'll put his head on there in a couple chunks and throw them out. We'll see what we get, guys. We'll be back with you. Something. This one's a big headpiece. Little head bait. Something just tapped it. I think something's actually biting on it, to tell you the truth. This one's got a ton of slack. Look at that slack. There we go. Alright, sit and wait. I'm gonna get your plopper out there a little bit. There's a striper, guys. There's a stripey. There's a stripey right there. Get on line, get on line. Oh yeah, off the bat, guys. First cast with plopper. First cast with plopper. Yep. First cast. Ah. Come here, dude. Come here. Calm down. Calm down. There he guys. Oh, I came off. Yep. Little dude. Little stripey. First fish of the day, guys. First fish of the day. What do you got? Oh, sucker. Soaks me. Alright. Try it again. Straight and highlighted that flopper. That's carp. Look at him. I'm trying to hit it. There's one. Got him, guys. See that shit? They were trying to blow that thing up the whole time. There's two. Two stripies right off the bat. Little dudes. Little guys, but they're stripies, guys. They're stripies. Yes, they are. Calm down, dude. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, fuck stick. Quick. Fuck around and get more hooks in than you know what you need, buddy. Yes, you are. There we go. Alright, guys. That was awesome. They were chasing that damn thing like crazy. Number two, little dudes, but yeah. Another little guy, guys. Number two. Do that again. A whole bunch of them chasing it. A whole bunch of them chasing it, guys. That's the way I like the afternoon to start off. Especially with no flow like this. They're like stacked up in there like crazy. They're just trying to hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. That's pretty cool. Alright. Oh, there he is, there he is. Chasing it, guys, chasing it. Just didn't get it. I'm gonna throw it down. I'm gonna throw the chatterbait. I got that tune that son of a bitch up too. Got to tune it up, guys. Got to tune it up. There's one, guys. There's one. There's one on the chatterbait. On the chatterdonk. Got another one. Number three, number three. There's a little stripy guy. Little stripy guy. Yep. Little stripy on the chatterdonk. Alright, guys, show you that little dude. There's small ones, but yeah, little babies in here today. Bunch of little babies. Alright. So again. Fish. But he missed it. But he missed it. the top water's at. Restart the clip, guys. Alright, I'm gonna pack it up, guys. Get out of here, go to another spot, it's got a little flow. Head downstream from here. Go back to my rock riffle. Then I fish downstream, a few miles down. Yep, I think I'm gonna do it, guys. Pack it up and head out. We'll go to another spot. I'll be back with you guys when I get there. Alright, guys, spot number 2. Just getting dark. Rebaiting the poles. We'll get to casting some lures too. Crawdad Central down here. The fish I'll be up here feeding big time. Oh, see stripers. Strippies, 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 guys. Yes, can't wait to cast. Alright, let's see here. Got a spot to stick his rod. We're not going to water anywhere. Let's see here. I'm gonna stick closer to this one, but one, two. Yeah. And 3. Number 3, number 3. I'll throw this one down further. Down past this one. There we go. Alright, guys, we get to throwing the old plopper. Get to throwing the old plopper, see if we can get a stripey. Ooh, look at big head bait. Head bait, head bait, head bait. What do you got there, buddy? What are you doing? You gonna take it? Huh? Oh yeah. Come on, big boy. Come on, make my day. Oh, just give me some slack. Come on, eat that sucker. Eat that sucker. Eat it. I'm playing with it either. This bugs ain't super bad yet. They're starting to migrate in. Oh, there's another bait now. 2 bites. Okay, come on. Come on. That's my turtle. Starting to rain too, guys. I did not bring my rain gear down with me. Come on, fish. Ooh, here he goes. Yeah, yeah, come on. Got it, whatever it is, guys. It's big too. It is big. Whatever it is. Yeah, hope it ain't turtle. There's my other rod now. Damn it. Doubled up maybe? Huh? What is that? Little turtle? No, catfish. Nice cat too, buddy. Nice kitty cat. Oh yeah. Can't even lift him up, guys. Is that flatty? Hmm? Could it be? Could it be? Yes, it is, guys. Flatty. Oh, flathead. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yes, sirree, guys. Yes, sirree, Bob. Another flatty. Yeah, man, dude. You choked that damn bait, didn't you? Anybody, let me get that out of you. Alright, let me get my pliers, guys. Well, I might better get it out without it. Yeah, it's going through his gills. Yeah, there we go. Come here, dude. I don't want to hurt you. Don't want to hurt you, little fella. There we go. Bait's out, guys. Alright. There's flathead number 2 for the year. Yep, he's a little dude. He counts as a flathead, guys. Flathead number 2. Number 2 for the year. Yes, sirree. Alright, we'll let this guy go. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we're back. I'm going to let this dude go. Get the release on this guy. Yeah. Let's get the release on this little flatty, guys. Alright, buddy. It was so nice you biting. Yes, it was. Ooh, he's mad too, guys. He's mad. He was mad at me. He said, damn, he put a hole in my lip. Alright, guys, I'm going to put this bait back on there, rehook it, and throw it back out. I wasn't out very far. I went over just off his bank a little bit. Yeah, he ripped my lip pretty good. Going a little deeper to his nose there. There we go. Yeah. That's what I came down here for, guys. Nice big old flatties. Some fatty flatties. I got a big headpiece on this other white pole too. I got plenty of bait. That's for real. Yeah. Right about out in there is where I got him at, guys. Wasn't out very far. Wasn't out very far at all. Nope. Well, you sure are biting weird, though. You sure biting weird. Alright, guys, I'm back to casting. So, give me a stripey. Let me pull me a big old stripey out of here somewhere. So, taking off this one, guys. Yep. Alright, there go it. You still got it. Come on. Come on, fishy. Let go it. Come on. Come on, eat it. Yep. Come on. Come on. Got him, guys, whatever it is. Got him. Got him. Yep. Look at the cat, guys. There's another big cat. Damn turtle. Freaking turtle. Yep. Oh, dumb turtle. Quit. Quit, dude. Just want to hook back. That's all I want there. Alright, guys. No turtle. Hook his bait. Throw it back out there. Damn turtle. Thought we had something good. Thought we had something good, guys. Yeah, that's what I get for thinking. Who?
I've used a lot of times this time of year, like water ain't running. Ounce and a half, 2 ounces. And bounced off that point. You'll see the tree I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You don't want to throw in it. You want to throw out in front of it.
God damn. That's a
Anchor your rod
big,
down. Don't put a fucking
big old gar, guys.
anchor.
Alright, I'll be back.
And let that motherfucker
Alright, guys, I'm back. I had a phone call. A buddy of mine called me. Yeah, I got this big old gar, guys. Big old tank of a gar. Look at the size of this thing. Big old monster. Big old monster. Did you come off? Oh, I did too. Hell yeah. Came with a hook for me. Right on, right on. Here we go, guys. I hooked something that got in the rocks. Got me all hung up. And then, actually, while I was trying to get it hung from the rocks, this dude hit. Big old monster freaking gar. That's a big one, guys. Try to get my grippies on him and I'll get a weight on him. See what he weighs. Quit. Quit. Yeah, see. Need some gloves. So I handle these big dudes. Big dude. That's a big old fucker, guys. Big old gnarly gar. Here, let me get my weight scale. Get a weight on him. Get him up and get a weight. 6'8", guys. 6 pound, 8 ounce. Alright, let's get him back. Nasty dude. Big old gnarly dude. God, he's so slimy. Such a slimy creature. Yeah. Little slimy dude. Alright, let's throw him back in, guys. Yeah. He's gone. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, guys. I might throw one more out. One more round. Then get the hell out of here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright, guys. Calling it a night. I got a phone call earlier and missed that gar, and then I had something else right before that, guys, that got me snagged up in the rocks, but you guys probably missed all that. I had my GoPro off talking to a buddy of mine. I had a new flathead spot, guys, but yeah, we're gonna go check out this new spot on the next trip probably, so we'll be hunting some big old flatties before long, guys. Yeah, I got that one flatty tonight, a couple 3 stripers at that first spot, and then big old gar earlier, turtle. Had a lot of bites, guys, but yeah, they stole my bait quite a bit. So good night though, fun night. Yeah, tomorrow's 4th of July, so you guys enjoy your holiday, and by the time you see this, it'll be way past holiday. I'm a couple days behind on doing videos. So yeah, guys, if you like this content, like always, hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one, guys. And we're gonna get on some big flatties before long, so stay tuned, guys. They're coming later. If you like this content, like always, hit the like and subscribe, guys, and tell your friends and anybody else that likes fishing about the channel, guys. It's all about sharing adventures. So yeah, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Later.